Hi there, and today I'll be answering a common question. Can you play music on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 without using your phone? Let's find out. So the answer is yes, you can, and let me show you how. We're gonna start with adding some music on the watch. And for this, just open Galaxy Wearable application and choose Watch Settings. After this, search for the tab which is named Manage Content. And now, you just need to go in the tracks on watch, and here you can add some tracks by tapping this plus. Just choose any tracks and then tap Add to Watch, and then wait a couple of seconds till it will be added. After the loading has finished, we just need to swipe up to open all of the applications, and now search for the music app. Here it is. And now you can see all of your songs, so you can skip to the next song or go to the previous one. You can play and pause the music. You can also add it to your favorites just by tapping this little heart and change the media. So you can change the intensity of a sound. You can volume up or volume down just by dragging this slider. And also you can connect your earbuds to this watch. For this, just tap this headphones icon, and now you can choose audio output. You can either stay on the watch speaker or switch to pair new device, and after this, add your earbuds. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.